Hello guys, it's your favorite person in the entire universe, Rubber Duck Master. Today I'm going to be 3D modeling / designing and 3D printing a little duck. And I'm gonna show you guys the full process and it's gonna be cool. So the first thing you do is you add a primitive. I'm gonna go with a cylinder. Now I gotta, oh wait, wrong one. I'm gonna go like this. That's close enough. Now I'm going to add spheres, and I'm going to use this button sort of move those together, and then look, doesn't that and then it looks like the cylinder is rounded. Yeah. And I don't know if it's just me, but I always thought that these spheres kind of look like golf balls, don't they? Like, that isn't a perfect sphere. It's a golf ball. Okay, now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add another sphere. And so it's kind of complicated to move things up in this because there is like an up thing, but it just teleports down. So but I am going to move it to the spot that it needs to be. And then what you need to do is hold control and select everything. And then right click, merge. And then if you just select this, you can use Alt and do that. You hold Alt and then click. Now you will be able to move it up. Kind of weird, I know. I didn't move this to the right spot. Doesn't that look kind of cool? Maybe a bit more up. Alright, there. That looks good. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add a primitive and go with this disk. So, we are going to have to mess with this button a bit, the scale. Use this one to move it up and down. I'm going to go about there. That looks thick enough. Now, here, you know what, I might as well just center this. And this head is off center. There we go. That looks better. And then let's bring this more to the middle. Okay, so what we need to do is we're going to have to merge everything again. Oh no. Merge. Now we can hold Alt and select this one. Move it up. Move it back. Now, doesn't that look like a duck already? Now, we are going to add the eyes. So, I'm going to get a sphere, and we're going to clone this. And we're going to have to scale these down, like, real small. Like, that's good. Oh no, maybe that's too small. There, that looks good. Actually, I'm just going to delete this. Now I'm just going to clone this one. Now what we need to do is do the mergey thingy again. Merge. I'm actually just gonna move these together because the eyes are gonna, well, I want them to be like evenly spaced together. Okay. Okay, it needs to a bit. Oh no. Alt. Okay. Move. Down a bit. In a bit. Okay, a bit more down. Down a bit. Bit more in. Hey! There we go. Looks kinda goofy. That's alright. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. So, now there's two ways that we can do this. It just basically prepares it so that you're able to hit print. See, when I click hit print plate, it isn't doing anything. So, you have to either go slice plate or preview. They do the exact same thing. Slice, I find, is a bit quicker. That's just, this doesn't really matter. You can just snap all this around it off. And it looks pretty good to go. I don't have any error notifications. It should be fine. Now the print plate is lit up. It's going to take 31 minutes. Heading over to my printer. And once again, no error messages, no error messages. We're good. Send. Alright, it's starting printing, and yeah, I'll see you guys in 25 minutes when it's done. Alright, here it is finished. Like I said, all of this black, you can just peel that off. So I'll show you guys that. So when I took it off, it's here. It still has a bit of it on it, and it left a little ring on this. That should be pretty easy to take off once the plate cools, but right now I'm going to show you guys how to take this off. It is quite easy. I'm going to try to do it with one hand. Yeah, see, it just snapped right off. And there's our duck. Thanks for watching.